Welcome to Aladdin Mall, a free e-commerce platform built to empower small and micro businesses across the U.S. Whether you're a food truck owner, a tax consultant, or a handmade goods seller, you can launch your online store here with zero fees and no technical experience required.
Let's start by signing up with an email address. This will give you access to the store creation wizard and your personal seller dashboard. Next, let's name your store and write a short description. This will appear in your store URL and help customers understand what your shop is about. Now let's enter your store's basic business information. This includes your physical or service address, phone number, and email, all of which help customers find and contact you more easily. Even if you're an online-only seller, having clear and professional contact info builds trust and improves credibility. Upload your logo and a storefront photo to personalize your brand. These visuals will appear across your store and help build trust with your audience. Here, you can set your store's operating hours based on your actual availability. You might be open 24/7, only on weekends, or follow a daily schedule. It's entirely up to you. These hours will be shown to customers on your store page, so they know when you're actively available to respond or fulfill orders. Now, let's choose a theme color that reflects your brand identity. This accent color will automatically apply to buttons, section headers, and interactive elements throughout your store. Don't worry if you change your mind later. You can always update the theme anytime in your store settings. And that's it. Once you click your store URL, you'll see your fully set up online shop live and ready. Your storefront is now active, clean, professional, and uniquely yours.